Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy blockchain proof of concept with Oracle, full guide step by step clearly. Start by defining the scope of your proof of concept, or POC. Identify the specific problem you want to address using blockchain technology. Next, choose the type of blockchain you want to deploy, such as public, private, or consortium. Once you have your objective and typeset, create a detailed plan outlining the required resources and timeline. Set up your Oracle account if you haven't already, as it provides the necessary tools for blockchain deployment. Access the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure console to begin. Navigate to the Blockchain Service section within the console. Select Create Blockchain Network to initiate the network setup. Fill out the required fields, including the network name and description. Choose the appropriate blockchain version based on your specific needs. Adjust the additional settings according to your preferences, such as network size and region. Once the configurations are complete, click on Create to deploy your blockchain network. Wait for the deployment process to finish. This may take several minutes. After the network is successfully created, you'll receive connection details and access credentials. Next, download and set up the necessary development tools or SDKs as suggested in the Oracle documentation. Begin developing your smart contracts using languages like Solidity or JavaScript. Code your smart contract to reflect the features required for your POC. Test the smart contract locally to ensure it behaves as expected. Once satisfied, deploy the smart contract to your Oracle blockchain network. Monitor the deployment logs for any errors or issues. After successful deployment, verify that the smart contract is functioning correctly on the blockchain. Create user interfaces or APIs that interact with your blockchain application. Conduct thorough testing of the complete system, including user experiences and backend interactions. Gather feedback from initial users to identify any issues that need addressing. Iterate on your solution based on user input to enhance functionality. Finally, document your process and results to aid in future blockchain projects, and share these insights with your team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.